6, 7, 8, 9.
Take my hand.
I'm not naughty. I'm autistic. And I just get too much information.
In my interview with Mrs. Nicholson, I asked her why it is important for teachers, not just special ed teachers, to be trained and familiar with students who have autism. She answered with, both general and special education teachers should be trained in the field of autism. The primary reason for such is that many of the students identified with autism receive instruction in the general education classroom. Though they have individual needs related to autism, our state requires that they be educated in the least restrictive environment. Therefore, general education teachers should have a basic understanding of the characteristics of autism and possible accommodations that would enhance success in the general education setting. My next question to Kim was, why is it important that we as teachers make accommodations for students with autism who are placed in normal classrooms? Her answer was, if students with autism are receiving education in the general education setting, they may encounter environmental stimuli that trigger issues as a result. For example, some students with autism benefit from routine and a structured schedule. If they are placed in a classroom without such structure, and transition from activity to activity could become problematic and sensory defensiveness could occur. Dependent upon the student and his or her individual needs, there are a multitude of accommodations that may be helpful and, in turn, create opportunities for much more success. My third question to Kim was, what are some teaching strategies that teachers can implement in the classroom for these students? Her answer was, for students with autism, research suggests that a multifaceted approach to learning is best. Some school corporations provide students with the STAR Autism program or the TEACH program. However, in our district, we have individuals trained in a multitude of approaches that do include STAR and TEACH, but also include Ziggurat, pragmatic communication, etc. We have a district autism team that provides services to any of our buildings that are in need. Team members are comprised of teachers, speech therapists, a behavioral specialist, and occupational therapist. They conduct observations, complete functional behavior assessments, and create educational or behavioral plans that include strategies and interventions that may help the student in question. The team leader receives training through IRCA at IU and is a member of the State Autism Roundtable. A random sampling of interventions available would include sensory intervention, sensory diet, use of the motor lab, alternate lighting, picture schedules, alternate seating, extended time, alternate response formats, and positive behavior support.